OnlyFans, if I used to date your man, if I twerked on Instagram, if I fall out with your fam, would you love me? Would you love me? Would you love me? Would you love me? If I got a little fat, if I played you in a chat, if they licked me on the net, tell me could you handle that? Would you love me? Would you love me? Would you love me? Would you love me? I ain't on take backs, I be on get back, I be on tic tac. What if I did that? I be on bullshit, had to admit that. Nigga, I talk back, I do not sit back, do what I want, no, I do not ask. If you apologize, give it in cash. I might just fuck up your day for a laugh. You do what you want when you got all this ass. You do what you want when you got your own bag. I know I'm a lot, is you up for the task? My last nigga hurt cause I up and just dash. I'm going up fast, do you want me to crash? Cause I am that bitch, don't gotta try, I'm with the shits. Why would I lie? My niggas lit, talking that fire like my niggas rich. I'm talking Dubai. If I had an OnlyFans, if I used to date your man, if I twerked on Instagram, if I fall out with your
Subscribe and like next 5 videos.
Look at them. Okay. Gidin na ante sa atin dito. Wala pala dito sa. Okay. Okay, niya ga na sa wasa sa ante. Ya almost that after that. Mata? No. Itu ang ikatli wala. 2:30 to look at 3 o'clock za klaki na like 11:30 later more hospital gala unta bata Bacana, gaita na dawala na. Tato pi bacana, gide aine son kadio bisho dawala agada. Wosana kan gaiti wosana tosta zero. Tabarak. Yes, bye. አውሮፓ ተስፋዬ ልጆቼ ነው ታወቂያቸዋለች
ከዚህ የቀየረች
አይደለችም ስንመጣ አብረን የመጣን ከወላይታ በዲቪ ደርሶን ተዋወቅን ማለት ነው እዛ ከዛ ተገናኘን አንድ ቦታ ተጫወትን ምን አለን እነሱ ዳላስ ነው ከዛ በኋላ በቃ ተለያየ እኛም ስራ ስንፈልግ እነሱ ስራ ስንፈልግ አዲስ አደረገ ግሪድ በዛ ተጠፋፋን ማለት ነው ያው ባልኮን ቀይ በጣም ማራት ነው ግን ያመጣ ጠቆ ምናምን ሌላ ሰው መሰለች ጠቆረች በጣም ጥቁር ተቀየረች በቃ የሰውነት ስታረጅ ነው ሲቀየር በውስጤ ለካ ተገቢ ቆማል እሷም ለካ ትጠይቃለች ፈልሱ ተሰብስቦ ያወራሉ አትላንታ ወርቅ